You have a memory right now you would swear is completely real. A specific moment, maybe a fight, a kiss, something someone said to you that changed everything, and you're absolutely certain that you remember it. Well, you are wrong. Not because it did not happen, but because the memory that feels so vivid has never been real. Not once. Not even the first time you remembered it. Here's what's actually happening inside your brain every time you remember something. It does not find a file and press play. It rebuilds the memory from scratch every single time. Fragments of image, leftover emotion, half a sound, and then it also adds in who you are right now, your current mood, your current fears, everything you have gained and lost since that moment. Scientists call it reconsolidation. When you recall a memory, it briefly becomes unstable, like a document pulled up for editing, and before it's saved again, the present leaks in and rewrites it. You feel nothing has changed, but the memory quietly changes. And here's the part that breaks people's brains. The memories you have revisited the most, the ones you think you are most sure of, those are the most revised memories you have in your brain. Certainty is not accuracy. Now think about your identity. Who you believe you are, the wounds that made you guarded, the moments that taught you what you were capable of, the versions of yourself you carry into every room. All of it is built on memories that have been quietly rewritten every time you looked back. Which means you are not a fixed self, you are a story, and you have been editing it your whole life without knowing. The grudge you have been holding for years, you might be fighting over a memory neither of you actually have. That version of yourself you have been running from or running toward, it may have been rewritten so many times the original does not even exist anymore. But here is the other side. Maybe memory was never meant to be a perfect archive, a mind that preserved every moment exactly as it felt the first time. Every humiliation, every loss, every heartbreak would never heal. The fact that memories shift is literally how trauma softens, how grief changes texture, how you survive. You are not the sum of what happened to you. You are the sum of what you have made it mean. So, the next time a memory surfaces, sharp, vivid, absolutely certain, before you let it define you, ask yourself, is this what actually happened? Or is this the version I have been building every time I needed it to be something else? Because every time you remember, you are not just looking back. You are writing forward.